Good morning, children. Welcome to this video. I hope you all are fine and must be missing to your school. I too missing you all and praying to God that this situation must get over as soon as possible and we all can meet together in our school. But till then, keep learning the lessons through these videos. Children, today we will start our third lesson from our English literature book, that is Jimmy Valentine. Children, before I start the lesson, answer me some simple questions. Have you seen any thief? Of course not. And what would you do when you get an information about a theft in your neighborhood? Of course, you will inform the police. Now tell me, can a thief ever change his habit of theft? Yes, we are not sure about his habits. This lesson is a story of a thief who changes himself and becomes a businessman. But circumstances falls against him to accept his identity. Now before starting the lesson, we should know something about its author. Children, its author is William Sidney Potter. He was born in 1862 and died in 1910. William Sidney Potter, popularly known by his pen name of O. Henry, and he was an American writer. He is known for his short stories, which are marked by witty narration, twists in their plots, and surprise endings. Some of his most famous short stories are The Gift of the Magi, The Ransom of Red Chief, The Cop and the Anthem, and A Retrieved Reformation. This story is an extract of A Retrieved Reformation, famous short story about a reformed burglar. Children, the story begins with Jimmy Valentine, a safecracker, being released from prison with the advice to make an honest living. However, Jimmy disregards the advice and returns home to resume his business. The fact that he is back to his old ways is soon brought to the notice of the detective Ben Trice, who had initially arrested him. However, Jimmy soon meets Miss Annabel Adams, the daughter of the owner of Elmore Bank, Mr. Adams. He falls in love with her and decides to change his old ways. He changes his name to Ralph D. Spencer and opens a shoe shop. Children, soon Annabel and Jimmy are engaged to be married, but Ben Price is still on the lookout for Jimmy. Jimmy is on a visit to the bank with Annabel, Mr. Adams, Annabel's sister, and her two children. Mr. Adams shows them the new vault he had put in the bank. One of the children accidentally locks the other inside. Much panic and confusion was there. Jimmy sets to work and rescues the child. It is then that Ben Price runs into Jimmy. However, having noticed that Jimmy is a reformed man, he decides to walk away. Students, now open your books at page number 16 and you all are instructed to look into your books only. Don't look on the mobile screen. While reading the lesson, we may come across some difficult words, and here is the list provided to you for the difficult words for the page number 16. The words are released, pardon, Valentine, and straight. Students, now start reading the story on page number 16. Read the story about a charming safe cracker who no sooner than having been released from prison on a pardon and resumes business. However, he gives it up when he falls in love with a beautiful young woman. Find out what happens next. Next day was Jimmy Valentine's day of release from the prison. Now, Valentine, said the warden, you will go out in the morning. Brace up and make a man of yourself. You are not a bad fellow at heart. Stop cracking safes and live straight. Here it means that the next day Jimmy Valentine is about to release from jail and warden is suggesting him to leave the bad habit of safe cracking and advises him to be a good citizen. So let's read the next line with me now. Me, said Jimmy in surprise. Why? I never cracked a safe in my life. Oh no, laughed the warden. Of course not. Let's see now. How was it happen to get sent up on that Springfield job? Me, said Jimmy. Why, warden? I never was in Springfield in my life. Now, according to the story, Jimmy is not accepting his crime and told that he has not broken any safe in his life and had never gone to Springfield. Children, now come to page number 17. Students, there are some difficult words given on this page. You have to learn and write down in your notebooks. Students, the words are rehabilitate, prosperity, leisurely, eminent, and burglaries. Children, start reading with me. Take him back, Cronin, said the warden to the guard, and fix him up with outgoing clothes. Unlock him at 7 in the morning. Better think over my advice, Valentine. Here warden ordered his guard Cronin to take him back to the jail and to arrange some clothes for him, and told Valentine to think again what he had advised him earlier. At a 7:15 on the next morning, Jimmy stood in warden's outer office. The clerk handed him a train ticket and the $5 bill with which the law expected him to rehabilitate himself into good citizenship and prosperity. Mr. James Valentine walked out into the sunshine. Children, next morning at 7:15, Jimmy stood in warden's outer office and the clerk gave him a train ticket and $5. Taking both the things, Jimmy Valentine walked out in a sunshine. Children, in this video, we have completed only a part of the story and you have to read the things again and again. Rest of the story we will complete in our next videos. Till then, keep learning, stay healthy.